How to buy crypto in Etoro. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto in Etoro. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy. In order to buy crypto in Etoro, first things first, you'll have to deposit funds into your account. To do so, first you'll have to go ahead and verify your account. I haven't done so, but you have to do so. You can see it'll show up verify account here. So once you have verified account, you can head over to wallet, tap on the transfer tab there, and you can deposit funds into your account. Once you have deposited funds, what you can do is you can head over to discover. Under it, you can head over to the crypto tab. At the top you can see overview, stocks, crypto, and ETFs, sorry. So you want to head into crypto, and under crypto now you'll be able to search for look into particular crypto. You can search it from the search bar as well, and then tap on the trade tab, and you can go ahead and choose the amount that you like to invest, and you can go ahead and place the buy order. So this way you can buy crypto in Etoro. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.